Hey everybody, I thought it was time for a little island life video. Here I am on Elm Tree Island in the St. Lawrence River, Thousand Island region, here on our own private island, Elm Tree Island. So, hey, here's an aerial view of our island as it sits in the St. Lawrence River. It's a beautiful summer day here in 2023. And here's the island, and you can actually see the shipping channel from the background of this aerial view from a drone. And you can see our docks, the cottage. It's a very small island made out of granite. And there's over 1,800 islands in this somewhat 20-mile stretch of the St. Lawrence River called the Thousand Island region. Hey, it's such a beautiful day and the water is like glass. Why don't we take a little jet ski ride?
You're a rebel, getting into trouble.